Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a nice, simple, healthy yet delicious vegetable soup. I drizzled some olive oil in my pot and I'm going in with some onion, garlic, and sweet peppers. I'm just going to let those saute for a minute. I'm using medium heat. You can just let this recipe be a guide. You can use whatever vegetable you fancy. Christophine or coyote, I think as they call it in some places, is really nice in vegetable soup. I'm going in with some squash, butternut squash. You can use pumpkin if you have that. I'm also using carrots and English potatoes, broccoli, nice young okras. You don't want to use the old okras. They tend to be huge and barky. You don't want that. I'm gonna go in with some water. Some people use vegetable stock or chicken stock. That's totally up to you. I've got some chives there and some thyme, hot pepper for extra little flavor. And as you can see, I'm using my pumpkin flavored noodle. I don't use stock in my vegetable soup, but to each his own. Use what you like. A little bit more water. Make sure the vegetables are totally covered. And you taste for salt at this point, and you can use whatever seasoning you want to use. You can use salt, but here I use a Maggi cube and a little piece of butter for extra flavor. And that is it, guys. That's it. Fast, simple, and delicious. I'm just gonna let this bubble uncovered, or if you want to cover it halfway. But as you can see, the pot is full and I don't want to risk it boiling over, and this is almost done. Just a couple of minutes, guys, and look at that. Everything is nice and soft, and this is ready. It's finished. It smells so good. So once you're satisfied with the texture of the vegetables and everything tastes nice and dandy, it is time to serve it up and enjoy. A little piece of scotch bonnet pepper in there to make it look pretty. You have to give this recipe a try, guys. It's yummy. Thanks for watching.